Hi, I come from a company which is the biggest global player in the world when it comes to information management. And we work closely with organizations in transitioning from what was the physical era into the digital world. So we know firsthand what are the opportunities and what are the challenges in the private and in the public sector. Because I'm leading Southern and Central Europe, I've seen that sometimes being a little bit behind might give you the opportunity to leapfrog and implement much newer technologies that other countries, bigger countries, might have a little bit more complexity in doing so. When it comes to digitization, Europe has invested heavily the past years in digital infrastructure. The question is, how do we turn that infrastructure into something useful that will create a real economic impact? So how do we move from digital availability to digital productivity? Croatia is a very good example because now 2/3 of the population have access to very high capacity networks. In terms of digital skills, it's very close to the EU average, and I think in younger generations it's even a little bit higher. And we have the e-citizen platform, which is an amazing opportunity for the citizens to go online and do a lot of things. The challenge now is that this availability doesn't translate into transformation automatically. What we need is shifting in what we call institutional infrastructure, digital identity, interoperability, the once-only principle, getting AI-ready systems. So all these are very important to turn this into an opportunity. We all have the same experience in Europe. We go to the taxation office, we go to health and social benefits, business registration, and we resubmit information that already exists. And this is about this connectivity and this interoperability between the systems. And again, this is exactly where I see Croatia having an advantage. It doesn't lead to go the traditional route from infrastructure to services. It can go directly to AI solutions, and I think the speed of execution is of essence here.